Fuck you! BNK, Bravo November Kilo 042. Alpha Uniform Foxtrot 439. What the fuck? You just nearly sideswiped me. You turned in front of me without a signal. You did not leave the 3 feet required.
Signal on you, stupid mother.
I had the right of way going through that fucking intersection. You almost killed me.
You do not.
I do. I have the right to the road, same as any other vehicle.
Right all the time.
You're going to hurt somebody and you're going to go to prison as a result. You need to learn the rules of the road and obey them. You made a promise to the people of this state. Jesus. Don't even have to go looking for it.
That was the most polite I've ever seen a driver say. That was amazing. He didn't threaten to kill you or say he was going to pull a weapon on you. It was amazing.
What was he even thinking? He should have told me about his concealed carry permit.